Yo, we're back for day 2 of Drift Madness in Finland. We are in Finland. It's a beautiful morning. It's a bit wet on the track right now because it's been cold this night. The car was frozen when I woke up, but we're ready, we're here. We're gonna start driving in a little bit, so let's go. Yesterday we tried to fly in the dark. It was okay for a while, but when it got super dark, couldn't see anything. It was hard to find my way back to where I was standing. So today they're gonna drive between like 10 and 4, so they're not gonna go quite as late as yesterday, and I need to head back home because I'm gotta hop on the ferry to get back home too. But yeah, we're gonna get our shit unpacked. We're still staying in this tower, got charging station and everything. Gonna unpack everything again, and then we're gonna start ripping. We'll see what we get up to. Let's start flying some drone. Shit, he's already ready.
No man, I'm testing it.
Testing it, see if it works.
Oh, see what's happening.
Connection issue with the goggles. Wow. It's gonna do some testing.
Still good. Still good. Still good. Here I had issues.
Oh yeah, in the back corner. Stefano doing a test flight, checking the range. He's out there somewhere on the track. All good?
Oh
Nice.
no, here. Why? Why?
I'm flying that 5-inch. I currently got the LED props from last night. I think they look pretty good. These are all the batteries that are fucked. All these batteries are saggy as shit. And 2 of them I ran out of battery on the track, so I think I'm gonna scrap these. But yeah, we're ready to rumble. That's gonna be dangerous.
Oh no, this is a good idea. Is this the last trip?
You got the GoPro mounted? We'll see what happens.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, no.
Okay, he's gonna go put it on the other side because it looks like they're sliding on that side over here. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, change the plan. We're gonna go over here next to the wall and see if we can get some close-up shots. Stefano said they go super close to the wall if you wave at them. Let's see if we can get some cool shots. Okay, that was pretty fun. Some camera shenanigans. Tried to hype him up to go as close to the pool noodle as possible. I think the one guy, he hit it. Yeah, now I'm gonna fly some packs. I just charged my remote, so now I'm ready to go. So let's fly a couple of packs, see how it goes. See if I can get close to them when they go close to the wall. Maybe. Let's see. Still a bit wet outside, so I'm not gonna go too hard. Only a couple of cars out right now too, so yeah, we'll see. Let's rock and roll.
Back it up, whip
Yeah, we're just hammering packs, yo. Some people out almost the whole time, but there's a lot less people today compared to yesterday. Some of the beefiest cars, they have left already. They were only here yesterday, so. And I can see some people starting to pack up now too in the pit lane. But yeah, we're gonna hammer a couple hours more. We still have some fun cars out driving, so. And if you like to see this shit when I go fly FPV at different places, you should like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I'm just charging packs all day, all night. That some of them, all of these back here that I'm gonna throw away. Anyone use this and don't like it? Comment below. I don't know, some are good, some are bad. But these ones, I don't know. Yeah, let's fly a couple more packs and then we'll see what happens. Peace. Hello down there. Let's see if we can make some magic, yeah? Gonna switch GoPro battery and then we're gonna fly some more, you know? You always gotta stay hydrated. Okay, strap on a pack. Okay, let's see what we got, man. Here we got some incoming. Let's go for these guys. Yeah, boy. Nice. A little round and round and don't lose them in the smoke. See if I can go in a little bit in between. Oh, door to door. Nice. It's a little bit windy. Just a little bit. We just go straight for the next one here. Round and round. Oh shit, we're both. I see Stefano's drone. Maybe I do a little drone chasing instead. Chase Stefano. Oh, where is it going? I'm only focusing on Stefano's drone now. Whoa! There he goes. And straight into these guys. Man, this is epic. Just go round and round and round. Okay, let's see in between. Oh, shit. On the outside. The hood. Oh, that one was nice. See if I can get in between. Go up. Some weird airflows. Ah, they didn't get so close this time. Whoa, that first one, the bumper. What happened here? He spun off the track. Oh, the rotation around the bumper there was nice. Very nice. Whoa, that one was nice too. On the foot. Boop, boop. Oh, yeah, that was pretty nice. Just slap on the new pack and then we go again. Okay, that's it for Drift Madness in Finland. Only one brave car still going at it. Everybody else almost are packed up and ready to go home. Me and Stefano are also ready, packed up to go home. So we'll leave it at that. Until next time, peace out.